Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Pantech learning. So, welcome to all. Welcome to this session. So, once again, good morning to all. So, in this particular session, we have to discuss about the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, what is that? Both are exactly, and how it is used in manufacturing field. We will see in a theoretical way. We will discuss about this till. After that, we have to be entering into the project way. So I have to show two kind of projects for this particular AI related concept. Okay. So before entering the concept, I have to ask him something. Already, uh, still now we know about that, right? So AI technology, regular life, we have repeatedly used. Okay. So that's why. So whatever you know about that artificial intelligence, so kindly share in a chat box. So what do you know? You can share it your knowledge, um, share it whatever you know. You share it in the chat box about the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, no one can know about any idea. Okay, fine. So now I said no issue. Artificial intelligence, it is a the machine mimic like a human. That is artificial intelligence. It is easy to understand for everyone, right? So why I can say like that means before 20 years we know about that. Like if we have to know any about the things, so I need to buy a car, any clothes, so whatever it is I have to buy means I can go and refer with some peoples. So if it fit for this, I can bought this kind of thing or not. Like that way we can asking some recommendations, right? So same like us here also. Um, but now we no need to asking another human. We have a AI technology like multiple chatbots is there, like models, AI models, ChatGPT, Gemini. You know about that. So the models is there. In that particular models, we can ask like a humans, we can interact like a human. Okay. So that means, for example, I know about the one particular car details. So I can asking about this. I have to buy this car. So kindly share it the details and trending things about this particular car. I can asking to the any AI models. They have give a entire details about that particular car. So that's why we have to using the particular AI technology is a very important in current world and current time. So just now every MNC company is focusing on the AI technology because the AI is capturing every places. So most of the developers also using AI. They have to reduce their work at 45% will be reduced that um, take too much time also. So in this session we will see what all the types is there and I have to show the example and everything I will show in this particular session. Okay. So first one we can go with that. Yeah. So AI technology. If we can create the artificial intelligence, we needed two kind of things. That is deep learning and machine learning. Okay. So without this thing, without this two technology, we can't create the AI in this particular field. Okay. So before entering the concept, I will show the example for this. Okay, I have go with the ChatGPT. So already we know, so most of the people we have using the ChatGPT model. Like, okay, so now I can asking the ChatGPT here about any kind of thing. So I will generally say, I mean asking you a question, right? I need to know about the car details. So when I same thing, I have to ask it here. Um, okay, I want to buy a car, but my budget is 10 lakhs only. So which model, which car is fit for me? So this is the way I have to asking the model. Okay. So I want to buy a car. My budget is 10 lakh only. Which car is fit for me? Like that. So if you they give an answer, right? If your budget is 10 lakh means assuming this is in Indian rupees on road or ex showroom price. There are quite few good cars you can buy. The giving value, decent features, and everything will be there. Yeah, so now here the 10 lakhs good condition car they have to prefer. Tata Punch, Maruti Suzuki Swift, Hyundai i20, Tata Nexon, and Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Honda Amaze, and Mahindra SUV, and Hyundai Exter. So this kind of things is a fit for my budget. So I have only 10 lakhs rupees. So my budget wise, they have prefer some kind of car based on our city wise and price wise, features wise, everything. Okay, so this is the weight. So same another people also say like this. So if I have to my friend also, they have first they asking to me, he's asking to me what is your budget, like that way. It's the same thing. He will prefer like that here also. So running cost, size and comfort, safety features, everything will be included into the particular price also. So it is a text wise. So now I give a text format, I give my input, and the particular one is share it to me as a text format, same thing. So this is the way here you can see use voice modes. Here voice mode also there. So we can as a audio wise we can interact with the model. So now I can entering into the voice mode. Okay, now the model has been ready to contact me. So now I can start the...
No worries. If you have any preferences or specific requirements, just let me know. Otherwise, I can always give you a few options to consider, and you can go from there.
Yeah, so now I can speak with you, so that's why I have not turned off the microphone, so that's why my wordings are also recognized to the model, so that's why. Okay, so now I can speak now. Okay, so once I turn on microphone, I can asking about that thing. Okay, so how the AI and the ML working in a manufacturing field? Can you give any suggestions about that, and any applications is there?
Absolutely. AI and ML are making big waves in manufacturing. Here are a few key applications. First, predictive maintenance. AI algorithms analyze data from machines to predict when they'll need maintenance, reducing downtime and saving costs. 2, quality control. Computer vision systems inspect products for defects in real time, ensuring higher quality and reducing waste. 3, supply chain optimization. ML models predict demand, optimize inventory levels, and streamline logistics, which helps in reducing costs and improving efficiency. 4, production optimization. AI can analyze production data to find inefficiencies and suggest improvements, leading to better resource utilization. 5, energy management. AI can optimize energy consumption, which is crucial for reducing cost and carbon footprint. These are just a few examples, but AI and ML are really transforming manufacturing in many ways. If you have any specific area you're curious about, just let me know.
Yeah, no recommends. So thank you for your answer. So we will meet again. See you.
You're very welcome. Glad I could help. Feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great day and see you next time.
So this is the way we have interact with the model. So now you can scroll up down, you can see. So now asking how the AI and ML working in the manufacturing field, can you give us any suggestion about any applications is there? So now this is my question. Question. So they have to give an answer for like this. So this kind of sentence they have to read and say in audio wise in that previous convo, right? So the AI and ML manufacturing field, the predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain, production, and the energy management. So this included means we can take it on kind of car manufacturing or food manufacturing, anything we can take. In that particular place, predictive maintenance is the important one. So that means the manufacturers they have to first new model will be introduced means they have to what is the product, producing the one similar model, similar products only they have to produce. Based on the selling count and marketing wise, what is that, sale wise, they have to decide to increase their quality, increase their productivity. So thus the predictive maintenance is important. Once we can asking the any our model. So for an example, I have to create launching the new model car. Okay, I have to asking my AI to sharing my design. Is that okay? So it is the like the market people, they have to like this kind of product or not. I need some kind of prediction about my product. So my product is worth it or not, like that way. So first the predictive maintenance is most important. So we can see that approximately we need we asking it is that okay, for an example, we asking some reviews. Okay, or we can make it the food product or anything, we can asking some in our surroundings, we can asking some people, is that okay or not, if I, or else I have to change my anything. So asking some kind of reviews. The same like that we have to asking to the AI models. The AI model to analyzing the market, they have to give us some kind of suggestions. So then they have to proceed the next process. Okay. So quality control. So the computer vision to analyzing the product, like the models, the robot analyzing the product, is that okay or not. So any kind of errors is there, they have to analyze and give them to suggestion, so you can modify that like that way. Supply chain and production optimization, energy management, everything. So any kind of product we have to create, definitely we get some kind of losses. Losses means the product like that ingredients loss, or else any on the tools loss, some kind of loss. So food we have to make, we can make one kind of food, definitely we can waste, food waste is there. So same like that, every product also there. So the AI numbers helps to reducing the waste and reducing the our time, and everything will reducing in the with the help of AI and ML concept. Okay. So it's an example I have to show ChatGPT here. So how it is work, like AI can work like that. So next we can enter into that the machine, without machine and deep learning we can't use the artificial intelligence, right? Yeah. So the artificial intelligence is the final product. Already I said this, right? So now the machine and deep learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So for an example, easy to understand way, I have to say one example. Now the artificial intelligence is a final product. We can fix like a final product. That means we can take it like a one food product. Okay, artificial intelligence on a food product. Once we have to make that particular product, we need ingredients as well as the process. Then only we can make that one final product. So here the deep learning is an ingredient, the machine learning is a process, the making process. So the both are combined with that, we can make one kind of food product, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, this is the way we can fix in our mind how the machine learning and deep learning helps to create a concept. Okay. So next one, what is exactly AI? So that's why. So method of making computer, and the computer can control the robot software, that is think like a human mind. Okay, that is what AI technology, what is that exact meaning of this. And next one is what is the difference between the machine, intelligent machine and non-intelligent machine. So we have to know about that, how the difference is there. So it's not a big difference. The non-intelligent means they can't individually work. The intelligent means they can individually work. There is a difference between the both, because the watch and the bikes without human action they can't work. The watch is fixed in one kind of process, they have to rotating the 24 hours like every day. Same like the bike, without human interaction they can't drive. The clutch and gear, everything the human has to be changed, then the bike can drive. They cannot think, cannot make decision, cannot do new things. This is the three things in non-intelligent machine. It's opposite to the intelligent, that is can think, can make decision and can do new things. Example, Tesla, like a driverless car, self-driving car, and Alexa or Siri, like voice assistants. Okay, no? Because of they can think, so as like a human. The car was driving in a road, means suddenly any kind of people or any car will be interact with that particular self-driving car. They have to make a sudden decision. So first thing they have to think, then they make a decision. Finally, they do the new things, like apply that particular thing. So here the brake, apply the brake, that is the process. The car has to first think, then they have make a decision. Finally, they do that thing, that is a process of self-driving car. The Siri, Alexa or Siri, the voice assistant also same like here. So now I said anything, right? Alex or Siri, so call my friend. Like that way I said something means first my mobile phone can hear my voice. So what I try to say, then they think, what will we do? Next they make a decision. Okay, my owner, like the user said, it is they said call to the particular friend. Next they do that. The machine had do that thing. Okay, that is intelligent machine. Like next was the types of AI. So what is the types? There is four kind of types is there. One is a purely reactive and a limited memory and a theory of mind. Fourth one is a self-aware. So if you see that particular images, you can try to say the answer, like find out the answer. Because of purely reactive is a one of the game-based AI. Why I said like that means the machines do not have any memory. They working like a one field of work. We can take the games like now I play the chess game or any board games. We can play with that human to human as well as human to computer. The human to computer is that the purely reactive AI. Why? Because of the chess game. Now we can take a chess game. So now the opponent of my computer have play based on my moves. I am playing the game based on their moves. Opponent only we have to defeat, right? So that's why we have to play chess board games based on their moves. That is a purely reactive. And the next one is a limited memory. So that also same like that. They collect the previous data, they have to work. That is the limited memory. This is an example. We have to take food ordering applications like social media also included. We can take like a Swiggy or Zomato any applications. So today I have to ordering any kind of food. That is example means yeah. So I have to order today. I have to order one pizza. Okay, pizza or burger, anything I have to order and take that order and I eat. So today my work was finished. Okay, then I have to go to the next work. Tomorrow onwards, again I have to entering the applications like food ordering applications. In that particular time, the applications give us some recommendations for me because of based on my previous session. So yesterday I have to ordering the pizza. Okay, so they give us some kind of suggestions like the pizza is having some kind of offers. This restaurant is introducing you new varieties of pizza. So like that way, they have to give us some kind of suggestions based on my previous data. Because yesterday I have to searching the food like a pizza. So everything they have working like based on my previous data, they have to give us suggestions like me, like give it to me. Okay now. Okay. Every social media is also working like this. For example, the Instagram, YouTube, everything also based on our data. I mean our feed wise, they have to give us recommendations. So I will tell you later in the upcoming slide about the social medias. Next is the theory of mind. The theory of mind is fully working on based on humans' emotion. Okay, what is that? We can take it on kind of example that is Snapchat. Snapchat is having some kind of filters, beauty filters, funny filters, horror filter, and what is that? Games also there, some kind of games. So in that particular filters is working applicable for our face expressions. Like we can take it into the one familiar filter that is puppy filter. So once the puppy filter to apply to our face, we can open our mouth, the tongue has to be came out. The puppy tongue like that. That was a funny one and an interesting one, like cutie, like that. So that is applicable for our theory of mind. That means here in that place, the filter has to be with the help of AI, they have to apply to our face and they executed the particular features based on our human expression. Okay, that's an example for artificial intelligence, like theory of mind. So next one is self-aware. Self-aware is a future generation. The previous three types is already exist in the current world, and the purely reactive and the theory of mind, limited memory, theory of mind, and everything. Self-aware is a future generation because of still it is not working. I mean, it's a process. They not implemented here. What is the meaning of self-aware means? They mentioning like a robots. Okay, the robots means Yeah, the robot means they not mimic like a human only. They look like a human. That is robot. That is artificial intelligence, like self-aware type. Okay. So they will be intelligent, gentleman, and conscious, same like as human. These are all the 4 types of AI technology. So next one, how does AI has to be in work? So this is the process the AI has to work. Okay. So first the data. Without data we can't do anything. Already we know about that, right? Like data. Next the pre-process the data. Then we have to go with that AI model. Like the AI model means what was that? Our algorithm. Like we can say repeatedly say the ChatGPT is one of the model. So in the ChatGPT we can focusing on this particular one. So before using per process they have to using data and processing the data, and then we have to train the model. Finally they have to comes to the initialize, like evaluate for our purpose. So this is our people. So we have to give an any kind. Just now I saw the example, right? Asking the car details, right? So once the training process has to be done, then we can go with that evaluate the model. So now say for an example, in this particular I have to create one individual AI for me. So that is a car related AI. Okay, in the car AI full and full having the car details, car related details only there. Okay, so first I need a car related data, entire data I need to only one car data. Then have to check the pre-processing for the data sets fully having the car details only are there, or any other vehicles are included or not. We have to analyze, that is pre-process. As well as we can check the duplicate values also there, or null values also is there or not. These kind of things is included to the pre-processing one. Next we can go with that. Once everything will be clear, the data has been clean and my related data only there, means I have to go with the next process, that is training. The model AI model training. So once I have to give choose an algorithm to training our model. After that I have to go with the evaluate my model. So here I am a user, I have to evaluate the model. So just now I can asking about one kind of car. So the RD. So RD is an recent models about in the particular RD brand. They have to give us a suggestion one by one. That is the evaluation process. This is the way the AI has to be in work. Okay. No? Next one, way of implementing of AI. So just now so previous before starting this session I said deep learning and machine learning is that important technology of artificial intelligence. The machine learning is a process, the ability to learn the computer. They are using the algorithms to discover the pattern and generate the insights from the data. That is machine learning. And deep learning is which is a subcategory of machine learning, provides the AI with the ability to mimic a human's brain neural network. Because of the human brain only to control our body. Same like as deep learning is controlling the particular AI model. Because they have to decide the data, so if data is fit for us or not. So this kind of data only, any kind of data the deep learning can handle. So like that way, then only we said deep learning is at working like a human brain. Okay. Next we can go with that components of AI. So already we know machine learning and deep learning. So next one is an NLP and computer vision is important for artificial intelligence. Because of every AI, so the self-driving car or any manufacturing machines, everything is needed. So before that I said, right, predictive analysis is important, and the quality control way we have to using the computer vision concept. So inside the machine we have to using camera, we can accessing the processes, every process is has to be working properly or not. So in outer place we can easily find out. So in this place the fixing, error is there, so we can sort out that problem is there. So inside the machine, like food quality, food product making, or else any car assembling process. So one or two production industries we cannot see some kind of thing. And also the important thing, the dairy industry, the milk industries, they have one of the manufacturing thing. They have processing the milk into the boiler. So inside the boiler we can't directly see that particular process. So we can using camera, we can analyzing the process, that everything will properly done or not, or any residues that there are not. Like that way we have to analyze with the help of computer vision. So we can automate the process with the help of AI technology. So they automatically find out the any residues is there, they have to give an notification to the particular system, automatically they have to sort out the problem. Okay, so that's why we said the NLP and the computer vision is important for this particular artificial intelligence technology. The four components are combined with that, then only we can create the one kind of AI model. Okay, and so next one, applications of AI. So what are all the applications is that? What are the types is that? So just 12 related applications are there in AI technology. So weight prediction based on height and gender, fake news detection using NLP, language translator, and image classification using CNN, as well as live disease detection using deep learning, and traffic sign recognition, fingerprint authentication, face detection, age and gender detection, face emotion recognition. So is it these four are including to the open CV, like computer vision related, because everything is reading to the one frame and identify what is that exactly is that. So QR code recognition and cartoonify image with the open CV. So AI used in a daily life. So repeatedly the social media applications, the one by one is there. So I will explain about this. First was the Instagram. So everyone can experience this concept. Once you think or talk about one kind of thing, the same related genre, like same related things also give a feed like that. If I think like or talk like any EV designs or like any car related things, so my feed also repeatedly comes the car related feeds. Okay, so because of they listening my words in my mobile phone, the microphone will listen my words, automatically they take a data from me, from my word, then they give a suggestion in every social media applications at the later time. So that's why most of people think like it's a magic, like it's not a magic, it's a technical technology behind the process. So next one is the Google Map. The Google Map is the best example for AI integrated, because of today we can go any places with the help of Google Map to find out the way. We can follow the way, we can reach the destination. Okay, and thus we can find out the nearest things, nearest places, nearest mall, nearest temple, or nearest beach, or nearest tourist place. Everything we can easily find out. You can type that location, automatically they provide it with help of satellite image. They have to find out the every places. Okay, now. So YouTube also same like the social media application. They also give a recommendation based on my previous data. They have to give a date. Information. That means so now I have focusing on the comedy related genres. So they will provide me like comedy related fields only, like videos. Or song related means most of the songs repeatedly my fields is there. Based on my previews, like views or watching history, they have give us suggestions. Next is Snapchat. There are also same like that. Snapchat is the example for AI integrated as well as OpenCV. I said right. The what is that? The fee. I see. Sorry. Filters, right? Yeah, filters. Human like there is an example for theory of mind, right? Here we can chat with our friends also. In this place we can chat with our friends also. The conversation we can make it like a different way. So now I have to talk with my brother. So my avatar going to say hi to my brother. So just type hello only in my what is that, text. Yeah, text search people. Search place. Just like type on hello. I go with the check avatar. The multiple emojis is there. So this is the way you can try to start a conversation with your friend. Okay. Next was Spotify. That is a music related application. Everyone we can use. We can search the song like a music director name or hero name or what is that, singer name, as well as the movie name, or middle of this song line we can find out this song. Okay. So these are all the places the AI can capturing the every field, starting with the cyber security, document verification, and what was that? Yeah, social media applications, and the education field, healthcare, cinema industry, and production industries, manufacturing industry also, and agriculture field, chatbots, space research, and transportation and shopping. Everywhere the AI can capturing the field. The document verification means that is the plagiarism. So every, because college students, So you can do the projects, you can make a report that is full and full having your own words. If you can anywhere you can copy the copy paste work, they have to rejected your proposal or rejected your project like that way. Okay, the plagiarism system already you know, right? Okay, so we will came later in this place. So just it's an already I shown in the another session. So now I will try to show you. You can find out that. So before this, I have to go with that example of a technology. Okay, so I will show you the example. So I can go to share showing you the personal assistant. Yeah. So now here the example, coding page of my personal assistant. So what the personal assistant can exactly do that means um, first it's working my based on my commands. Okay, so here I can work and generally our mobile phone we can use now. So in daily purpose we can using social medias, or just talk to our call with our friend and hear the songs or view the galleries. So previous memories we can see. Same thing I can follow here with the help of my assistant. Here I am not do my manual. Manual way I can't do anything. A physical way I can't do anything. Just then what I given command, my assistant can do follow my commands. They do that particular action. Okay. So just an example. First I run this. You can see or you can hear one by one. Okay. So now you can see.
Good morning, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can he help you today?
Can you hear the voice? They said good morning because the time is morning time. They said good morning and he introduced himself. His name is Jarvis and please tell me how can I help you like that. So now it's waiting for my command. You can see the listening and recognizing. When the listening will came, I can give it my command. After that, it's recognizing my command, then it can do that action. As well as you can see the user set, how the ChatGPT will execute that conversation in a text format. Same like here also, what I said that in my audio voice, that wordings also executed in a user set in text format. Okay, so now I can start with my thing. So starting with the social medias. So once the listening will came, okay, still it is processing my words because generally they take too much time. So next the listening will came, I can start my command one by one. Okay, so we will wait. Yeah, now I start. Open YouTube. So you can see I'm not doing anything. Automatically the YouTube has to be open, right? Just I said my words like. So next I can go with the next one. Open Google. In next tab, another application has to be open. Next I go with that. Open Stack Overflow. So every time I can said they are opening one by one the applications. Next, open Instagram. Which one is bending? Yeah, open Facebook. Like almost every application has to open, right? Let's open that. So this is the way we can opening social medias one by one. So now I go with that. This is the thing. Everything social medias like online website it can be open. So next I can go with that local files. That means music or a photo and what is that? Then folder or presentation anything I can open. So same format. So we can wait. I said play music. So you can see, so it is open, but it is not maximum. Okay, is one of the song, they play a song like that. So I have to change the song it in manual way. So how it is happening means, once I close this, I can go with that. Here I can change this song. So 0 means there is a first song. I can mention like a 1, that is the second song. So again I run this means,
Good morning,
same
myself
process.
Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
Same, because I run it again, so that's why it's starting from good morning like that way. So now I can say the play music. You can see automatically they play the song. Just an Apple iPhone ringtone, I have to fix the song like a second song like that way. So next we can go with that next step, that is open photo. Okay, the photo has to been go with that here. You can see the photo has opened it here. So next we can go with that we wait for listening. Open PPT. So it was asked to automatically opening on particular presentation. So related to generative concept, they have to open kind of presentations like that way. I close this, and which one is our video? Yeah. Open video. So again the same thing has happened. It was open, but it is not the window.
Ever wondered how AI makes decisions?
Window
It
has
all
not-
starts with agents and their environments.
Sometimes it's happened because the window has been, the file has been opened, but it is not maximized. Sometimes it's big bugs happen. Okay, so that's it. This is the way we have to see. I said you can see music we done, PPT we done, photo we done, video is done. So next we can go with that final step. So here my process was done, so I have to close. Still you can see I have closed that particular terminal, but still it has to be run. I can say one thing, you can listen, you can see still it is waiting for my command. How the mobile phone hear my words, the same like here. Open photo, open photo, you can see automatically the photo has been open. I am not doing anything because of it is still running, so that's why.
Good morning, myself Jarvis.
You can see it still is listening. This is the previous contact, previous things. So what I try to say is everything will be there, because I am not closing the window, just close the terminal only. I am not close the process. So I have to close this one. I can set these 3 words instead of any one. It is this or this, anything, any one I have to say. So now I said the one word, the first word. You can see goodbye. You can see the goodbye, automatically the loop is stopped. I mean the process has to be stopped. Again it's listening, it recognizes not came. Okay, now this is the way we can interacting with our personal assistant like that. Okay. So how it has happened means I can create the Pantech 3. The Pantech 3 is to generate the voice for my system. Okay, the library helps to create the voice, like they have to talk like speak like in audio. The speech recognition is to understand my words. So what I try to speak, they understand my words, and date and time it helps to understanding the current time. So now the time is 11:40, right? 11:42. So based on timing wise, they have to give us good morning or good afternoon or good evening like that thing. And web browsers helps to opening the websites. So social media application we will see just now. Helps to web browser to reading the URL, they have to go with that web pages. And OS means operating system, they have to analyzing the what does that yeah, local files, the file, music, photo, video, everything. Here in this process, we can initializing voice forming system. Pantech package, the Shopify is in module, and we can get the voices and set the voices like a male or female. 1 means it's a female voice, 0 means it's a male voice. We can change the voice, it's optional. If we need it, we can change. Next, the voice rate, that is the speed range of voice. If I reducing that, they have to very slowly, they have to like a 2x, 0.x we can set, right? 2x speed means it's very fast. Now we can see, I can give it like a 250 and save, and again run this and change the voice also. So I give to the male voice. We can say, now the voice has to be speedily they pronounce the words. You can see.
Good morning, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
You can see they will, the 2x speed they have to speak the audio, like set the audio, right? Once I increase this, still it is more speed.
Good morning, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
It's too fast. Based on my changes, they have to speaking like the voice speed is right. Next, they initialize the audio, like the audio has to be speak and wait, run and wait. Once you set the answer, speak that audio, said their answer, then wait for my question and the next question. That is the run and wait concept. Then it comes to the first process, the greetings. So based on the time wise, they give that. So it is the less than 12 means they said good morning and they introduce yourself like that. After 12 means they said good afternoon, and or else the good evening means the after the 6. The 18 means there's a railway time, that is 24 hours time, right? That is after evening. 18 means 6 o'clock, after 6 o'clock it's the evening time, so good evening like that. So next is go with the listen and wait, recognizing my command. Listening, when the listening will came, we can set my answer, provide my answer like question. Once it's recognizing, after that is go with that, say that again. If it is not properly hear my words or hear my pronounce my understanding my wordings, means they asking say that again please, or else it directly executed the process in that particular action. Okay. Next, the process one by one. Based on my command wise is executed. If I said open YouTube means the YouTube one. It is not, we cannot follow the order. We can randomly set that like that. So starting like I can set the open PPT is that open, and again it come like open Google. So randomly we can, based on my command wise the condition has to be executed. Once when the open YouTube will be there means then only this condition will be execute. Otherwise go with the next one. Okay, already I think you know about the Python. You can easily understand this concept. So everything is happened like that. Okay, this is the way the personal assistant has to be in work. Still we can improve and update the code to call to our friend or give a message to my friend. So like that, give a mail. So everything will happen. We can add it some kind of steps and methods. Is that possible to update that? Okay, now. So now we can go with the next one, that is object detection. So I try to show that is another concept, object detection. Okay. So the object detection. This is the this object detection most helps to on the manufacturing field. Okay, any unwanted object is present in that particular manufacturing, any kind of thing, the milk in the, food industry or hardware industry, car industry, anywhere, the object detection is most helpful. What is that? Technology to identify the objects. So otherwise they help to cloud monitoring and terrorist attack monitoring and what was that? Customer monitoring. Everything will help to the object detection will be there. They have to do kind of way. We have to analyzing the process like. So if I run this, once I run first, I will run this one. We can see. First way, we can we can provide the image. Inside the image, what are the objects we can detect. Next one, we can go with that webcam. Okay, now by using the webcam, my camera will having some kind of issues. I think generally it's facing some kind of problems, I mean errors. Okay, so that's why not an issue. Two kind of way, we can pass it one image. Inside the image, what are the objects we can detect. Otherwise, real-time camera we can use and detect the objects. Okay, now I try to create one. So using webcam, so that is to 0 means assigning the default camera, my system laptop camera. 1 means they have to go with the webcam. Next camera, another device. So my system camera is not applicable. Yeah, okay, fine. So fully affected for the camera, I have to give some kind of modifications. So no need, not a problem. So once I sort out this, I can explain in the next session. Now we can go with that image. So now already a street image, one street image is there. Inside the street image, what are the object has to be in there? How the object has to be detect, like the YOLO has to be detect the objects. So once before that I show in the image, the street image is there, right? You can see. So this is the street image. In this image, what are the objects we can detect? So we can detect the car or else peoples or any buildings, so whatever it is. So we can see what are the objects the model has to be detect. We even see this one. So once I run this, we can see that. Okay, yeah, my image is here. Yeah, that is persons. So 4 persons and 5 cars and 1 bus has to be detected here. Okay, based on the model, they randomly detect the what kind of objects is there. I mean clearly viewed. They have whatever it is, they try to find out. They happen that. That is 4 persons. What are the objects count also? 4 persons, 5 cars, 1 bus. The object has to be detected in that particular image. So now I try with that different image. People, I think, yeah. Room people. I am using the room people. So in this one is room people. We can see. So multiple persons and multiple objects, a laptop, a cup and a table, multiple things is there. So we will see what are the objects we have to detect in this place, I mean in this image. So once I run this, you can see the output. So you can see here there is I think around 8 peoples, but they have to detect the 8 peoples or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here the people has to be hide from this particular frames. And the 4 laptops, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that side on our laptop is there. The folded laptop here. And 1 cell phone. Then near the laptop, 1 cell phone is there, and 2 cup is there. And behind, you can see behind the girl, the chair also there. It's almost height, but that also detected here. Okay, so like this way, the object has to be detected with the help of the YOLO AI model. Okay, so 8 persons, 4 cups, and 1 chair, and 1 dining table, and 4 laptops, 1 cell phone. So these are all the objects has to be detected in that particular image frame. Okay, so this is the way the object has to be detected. So unfortunately we can't see the webcam because the camera has having some facing some problems. So that is troubleshooting problem. It is not my coding problem. In my system camera we can't read. So once I sort out, I can show you later. Okay, now so this is the way we can see that image like that. So now we can go with that your time. So just still we will discuss what is artificial intelligence and what is machine learning. I will see, and next what are the types and what are the applications is there. Next we can go with that two kind of concept like projects, personal assistant and object detection. Here that it's your time. So now your time. I can show in some logos about AI models. You can try to find out. So what are these models? So already you know. So first three it's a very familiar one. You can easily find out that first three models. I mean logos. I think 4, 5, 6 is a tough to you. I think. The every 6 is a familiar. So most of the people, the common people also know about that first three one. So kindly take a screenshot of this particular image like this screen, and you can share it your answer to your WhatsApp group, or else what is that? In this particular video, I mean in this particular video's comment box or our Google pay, I mean our website's Google review also you can share it your answer. So find out. So you can give it an answer like first one is what is the name of the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. You can assign the numbers. What is the name of the logo? Okay. So it is a small task. You can try to find out the answer and share it your answer in our platforms. So you can share it your answer in the YouTube comment box, or else your WhatsApp group. Already you have right. You are there in the WhatsApp group. You can share the group, or else we will share it to the LinkedIn community in your group. You share the LinkedIn community link. You will share it that, and you can share that place also, or else you can go with the Google review. That place also you can share it your answer. Everywhere you can share to your answer. Okay. And so finally I will show another one. Smart vacuum cleaner. It is fully working on already we know the vacuum cleaner, smart vacuum cleaner. So wherever the dirty place is there, they have to clean the particular places, as well as they avoid the what is that any obstacles is there, they have to avoid the obstacles. Automatically it's clean the floor or places and everywhere. Okay, yeah, fine. I have to open in the folder also. Yeah, so it is a hardware unit related. Just I try to create the UI wise. I have to show in the process how it is work. Okay, sorry, multiple windows is there. So once again I run this. Here this is the UI wise I can create. Here the white place is the clean place. So some places having good dirty one. So inside in the on the floor there's some kind of toys, obstacles also there. So here our agent. So once I give the start the one, automatically they have to clean the places everywhere. So how much moves they have to do and clean the entire floor. Here the move count is there, and how much progress is bending is there, 54% is bending is there, and start, it's a button wise I can handling that, and I can increase the speed or decreasing the speed, whatever it is I can do that. And reset one again is randomly assigning the dirty place and everywhere. So once I give the start, you can see you move on one by one. If the toys is there, they avoid the particular place. So otherwise they clean the remaining places. So that is 36 moves is taking to clean the particular entire place surroundings. And the progress has done by 116%. The progress will be done. If again reset means randomly assigned this. Every time I give a reset, randomly the floors has to be dirty or clean like that. If I reducing the speed, reducing means the meters range. I give the 1000 means very slowly it's do that. One by one they have to go. I have to give a pause. So fifth move they have to pause. Again I give this button. Oh sorry. Start the button. They continue the work. Everything handling like a one by one. It's like a GUI working based on the GUI device. That's why we have to give a start or stop like that way. If I have to implement in this one into hardware unit, we can create one kind of kit like look like the smart vacuum. Automatically they processing like analyzing the surrounding, they clean the places. Okay. Yeah. So this is the way the smart vacuum has to be work. That's an example I have to show. There are also AI related one. Okay, so I understand. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Today we have to discuss about the what is AI and what is machine learning like that way, types of AI applications. We have around three kind of projects. We have see the example for that. If you have any doubt, you can ask and try to find out the answer for this kind of 6 logo names. Okay, AI model logos. Finally I show one, we can see another one. Again using the voice mode to generate the one kind of image. Okay, I said this one. Hey GPT, can you generate the image the dog plays on the terrace?
Sure, I can do that. Just to clarify, do you have any specific details in mind for the image, like the breed of the dog, the time of day, or any particular background details? Let me know.
No, so that's your wish. You can give it anything.
Got it. I'll create a nice, cheerful image of a dog playing on a terrace. I'll get that ready for you.
Okay, once you're done and create the image, you can intimate me.
Absolutely. I'll let you know as soon as it's ready. Just give me a moment.
Here I said you can create one image the dog plays on the terrace. They asked me to me any unique specifications, any background you need. They asking some kind of suggestions. No, that's your wish. You can take it your time, like that way. And again I said once you've done the process, you can intimate me. Like you can say to me your image is ready like that way. So they also give it okay, sure, I will intimate you like that way. So now we will wait for that. So I think it's is processing my command, like preparing images. Again we can go and asking to about the image. Hey, what happened?
It looks like there is a little delay, but I'm on it. I'll get that image ready for you and let you know once it's done. Thanks for your patience.
Okay, if I go to check with that in a chat interactive window, right? Like that.
Yes, exactly. You can just check the chat window whenever you're ready, and I'll let you know once the image is complete. If you have any other questions in the meantime, just let me know.
Okay, once I go to check with that image, and after that I will come to talk to you. Okay.
This sounds like a plan. Take your time, and I'll be here whenever you're ready to chat again. Enjoy your break.
Okay. So now we can go check. Okay, there is no images there. Hey, I have to said to you, you can create the image, but I'm going to check image in that particular place. There is no images. Why?
Oh, I apologize for the confusion. It seems there might have been a hiccup in process. Let me quickly generate that image for you and make sure it's available. I'll let you know as soon as it's done.
When? Can you say any timings?
I can have it ready for you in just a few moments, probably within a couple of minutes. Thanks for your patience. I'll let you know as soon as it's done.
Okay, I will wait.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll get that image ready and let you know as soon as it's done.
Still, it is not getting ready. Same thing. I have to give it as text wise. They have to easily create the image. Okay, so that's there. There is two kind of windows. That is one is a voice mode. We can check with that interactive mode. So that's why it happens. So you can try with this. It's a good one. You try with yourself. That also easy to build our conversation like that. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. The attendance link was shared. The attendance link was shared in a chat box. So kindly check it your attendance link and give it your attendance. Don't forget. So once you give attendance and you can leave. Okay. So I will wait for 5 minutes. So who are all the contestants? So participate in this live and in this session. So kindly provide your attendance. That helps to generate the certificate for you. Okay. Otherwise, you have any queries? Oh, sorry. Any queries or any questions about our session related or any course related? You can contact with the number or mail ID anywhere, anytime you can contact with us. We will wait for that. Wait for your queries. Okay. So kindly share it your reviews in this particular session. So about my presentations and also content related or else communication related. You can share it your review. So you will share the review link in our WhatsApp group. So you can share it that. Or you can directly go with that our website. So you can search with the Pantech e-learning. You can take our website. You can directly give a review, or else we will share it the review link. So anywhere you can share it your review. That is most helpful for us or else for me also. Okay. So now don't forget to give attendance. So once you give attendance, you can leave. If we got a opportunity, we have a chance, we will meet again. dynamic link not found. Okay, guys, the link was shared in our WhatsApp group. You can check it once. So here some kind of technical issue, so that's why it's have not, the link was not opening. So we will give an alternate link in our WhatsApp group. You can give your returns in a group. Okay. So thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for attention. You have any queries, you can contact anytime with us. We will wait for you. Okay. Thank you all. See you later.